While the world around me was shaking, I picked up my pastels and drew this peaceful little ladybug. This isn't just art, it's resilience. I'm Moni, and welcome to my channel, where we turn even the darkest moments into beauty. Let's begin! My canvas is slightly beige, so I use a white colored pencil to draw the flowers. I start with the ladybug. To get a vibrant red, I first layer orange. It helps the red shine more brightly. Now I'm using red pastel, but I don't apply it flatly. I leave some variation for shadows, so the ladybug looks 3D. Don't forget to blend each layer with a cotton swab. I use black pastel for the black spots in the head. For white parts, I use my white colored pencil. Next, I work on the blue flowers the ladybug is sitting on. Because my paper isn't white, I use both white pastel and colored pencil for highlights. If your white pencil doesn't work properly, stay with me. I will show you how to get sharper color from your pastels. As you know, this is the voiceover. At the moment I was drawing this, I had no idea whether I would have a chance to upload it or not. We knew we would rebuild everything destroyed during the war. The pain is not in broken buildings. The pain is when you lose your beloved ones, your family, your friends, your heroes, and it is too much. By the way, here, I finished most of the flowers, but I want the white to pop even more. So I use a hairdryer to gently melt my oil pastel. I used a candle in the previous video, but the hairdryer gives me better control. You can use whichever is available to you. After melting, I apply a thick layer of white to get sharper highlights. If needed, I use a sharp object like a knife to refine the edges. I truly hope you enjoyed painting with me today. Now that I upload this video, we are in a temporary ceasefire. I have no idea if they start bombing again or not. But whatever happens, we are on the back of our Iran. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone who might enjoy it too. It helps more people discover this channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative, and colorful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.